Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal B. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. In this video today I'm going to discuss with you the fourth video of my series which I have recently started on Legal B, and that is about the phase 1 preparation for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination. The series is named as Phase 1 Made Easy. I will try to make it as easy as possible in these particular videos. I am taking up different topics for discussion subject wise. I am sure this will really help you out as you have to make your studies easy and then carry on whatever is important from exam point of view. You have to study on that, focus on that. इसलिए मैंने ये वीडियो सीरीज स्टार्ट की है एंड आप इन PPTs को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं फॉर योर रेफरेंस. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो एज वेल. Also in this video I have added one more thing. The topic that I have taken up for discussion is Consumer Protection Act 2019. कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट से रिलेटेड समरी शीट मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर की है बिकॉज आई नो द एग्जाम इज अप्रोचिंग वेरी नियर. सो नाउ यू वांट टू रिवाइज द थिंग्स विद इन वेरी लेस टाइम. So these summary sheets are basically documents that will give you a handy reference of how you can go through the most important sections of that particular act within very less time. So Consumer Protection Act 2019 की summary sheet इस वीडियो के description में है. I would suggest everybody to download that and go through all the important sections of this particular act in a quick span of time, within very less span of time. So let us start with our discussion. Phase 1 Made Easy, Learn with Amrita ma'am. This is the series that I have started. अगर आपने बाकी के videos miss कर दिए हैं, I would suggest you all to go and check it out in the playlist of Legal B. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Legal B for the benefit of all the videos and all the content that we keep on providing you here at Legal B. And also, if you have not checked out the course details for SEBI or for any other examination that we provide at iExamB, do visit our website and prepare 50% faster with iExamB. So what are the important authorities under Consumer Protection Act 2019 that we are going to discuss in today's video? So let us sum it up that how many authorities are there. Consumer forums are there. These are the forums where actually the jurisdiction lies, means the disputes are redressed. These are the redressal forums. So there are the three kinds of consumer forums: district consumer forum, state consumer forum, and national consumer forum. The next authority is Central Consumer Protection Authority, and the third one is Central Consumer Protection Council. So these are the three categories of authorities that we have under the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So you need to distinguish between all the authorities. You need to understand the basic purpose and objective of all these authorities. But उससे पहले आपको ये तो पता होना चाहिए that कितने authorities actually हैं in total जो important है Consumer Protection Act में. And generally Consumer Protection Act से अगर question पूछा जाए तो authorities से, and specially I would say the most celebrated question is relating to jurisdiction of the consumer forums, that is district consumer forum, state consumer forum, and national consumer forum. So let us see one by one. District redressal forum, that is relating to the jurisdiction, as I told you, jurisdiction of disputes up to 1 crore rupees. But let me clarify you one thing over here, that jurisdiction up to 1 crore rupees is provided in the 2019 legislation. But if you check the rules that have been provided for this act, allied for this act in 2021, then there is an amendment. I will update you that as well. But पहले हम लोग section check कर लेते हैं. Section you have to remember. District Redressal Forum Section 28. State governments are going to appoint the District Redressal Forum, and that is going to be in all the districts, and state government will appoint it. This is something which you have to remember. Jurisdiction is the most important aspect here. Composition also plays an important role. What is the term? 5 years or up till 65 years of age, whatever the age of the judge is. Now this is the amendment, the rule basically. Amendment act में तो हुआ नहीं है, basically not amendment but the rule that has come in 2021. So the latest provision is what? That is Consumer Protection Jurisdiction of the District Commission, State Commission and National Commission Rules 2021. तो ये rules में आपको तीनों ही forums के jurisdictions में change मिलेगा. The jurisdiction has been lessened. For district commission, it has been lessened up to 50 lakh rupees. Remember both the things. That's why I'm telling you both the things at one place only. Remember both. As per the question is asked, you have to answer it. Okay. Next, State Redressal Forum covered under Section 42 of 2019 Act. State government again is going to appoint the State Redressal Forum, is going to establish basically, and that is going to be governed by the rules. Composition is also provided. Now, original jurisdiction in the Act, it is up to 1, it's from 1 to 10 crore rupees. But again, if you will check the rules, it is 50 lakh to 2 crore rupees. Okay, now the 50 lakh, up to 50 lakh we have for district commission, then from 50 to 2 crore rupees, 50 lakh to 2 crore rupees it is state commission, and in that appeals will also lie from the district commission. Next is National Redressal Forum, original jurisdiction above 10 crore rupees, that is mentioned in 2019 Act, and appeals from state commission. And if you will check the rules, then the updated version is exceeding 2 crore rupees, the jurisdiction, original jurisdiction will lie with the National Redressal Forum. Remember, two types of jurisdictions, original jurisdiction and appellate jurisdiction. Simple hai, it's easy to remember. Just the main task is remembering these jurisdictions. Now let us go to the remaining two authorities. And yes, Section 55, don't forget, I have quoted it here. Section 55 talks about the qualifications of the members of the National Commission. National Commission is going to be one only, and how many people will be there, and central government will look after it. Like for state commission and district commission, we have the state government who is going to take the responsibility. For National Commission, obviously it will be the central government. President will also be president, and members of the National Commission, what description will be there, so that has been provided over here. Section 55 you can go through. Coming to the remaining two authorities, we'll just have a quick glance. Central Consumer Protection Authority. This is a very important authority having widespread functions, I would say, under this particular act. It's having a regulatory function, which is the chief function of this particular authority. Keeping a check on unfair trade practices, I can say, is a very important function again. 2019 Act is having many provisions relating to misleading advertisements, unfair trade practices. तो ये सारी responsibility किसकी है? Central Consumer Protection Authority की. It has to regulate all these things. Regulate violation of consumer rights, unfair trade practices, and misleading advertisements. So this is the basic purpose. Again, it will have chairperson, 5 central commissioners will be there, and 5 regional commissioners will be there. So we just have one authority. How many people are there? It's according to regional. Regional means the regions have been divided. According to that, we have 5 regional commissioners, we have 5 central commissioners, and we have 1 chairperson. Term will be 5 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Now the last authority is Central Consumer Protection Council. Many students get confused between Central Consumer Protection Council and Central Consumer Protection Authority. So that you have to have a clear idea about what is Central Consumer Protection Council. It is having comparatively a narrow operation as compared to authority. अगर आप authority से compare करें तो it is relating to the advising part. It is going to act as advisory on promotion and protection of consumer rights basically. आप लोगों ने वो ad देखा होगा, जागो ग्राहक जागो. Very simple example that you can remember over here. Promotion, making the consumers aware about their rights. There are 6 rights that have been incorporated under the Consumer Protection Act. All those rights need to be known by the consumers. So all these things, advisory body relating to this is the Central Consumer Protection Council. It is having 36 members, and in these 36 members, we are actually having the ministry. Union Consumer Affairs Minister will be the chairperson. Minister of State or Deputy Minister Consumer Affairs will be the deputy chairperson. Then there will be 2 members of the parliament, and 2 state ministers will be coming into this body by rotation. Consumer Affairs Secretary will be there. The term is 3 years. Please note the term over here. It is for 3 years in this particular council, that you can remember. So this was all that I had to take up in brief, the most important authorities under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, and this is what I would say is a very, very important topic from Consumer Protection Act. Whenever you start studying this topic, please cover these authorities first. If you have any queries, do reach out to us directly in the comment section of this video, और else you can write to us on hello@iexambi.com. आप इस नंबर पे भी कॉल कर सकते हैं 9205524028 and you can visit our website for more details. Don't forget to subscribe and prepare 50% faster with iExamB. Thank you so much everybody. Have a good day.